Because I'm traveling, sir.
I'm sorry?
I'm traveling, sir.
You're traveling?
Yes.
No, but why is your seatbelt not on, I said? Your seatbelt. Tu cinturón de seguridad, ¿por qué no traes puesto?
Because I'm traveling. I'm not driving.
Because you're traveling?
Yeah, I'm not driving.
You're not driving?
I'm not driving.
You're not driving. So what is this called? That's
It's
not
called traveling.
Traveling, not driving.
Yes.
Perfect. Awesome. Are you the registrar of the vehicle?
Sir, I don't answer any questions, sir.
I'm sorry?
I don't answer any questions, sir.
You're not going to answer any questions? All right. Well,
Sir,
you're
I'm on the private.
You're what?
I'm on the private, sir.
One more time, dude. It's really hard to hear you out here.
I am on the private.
You're on the private?
Yeah, I'm not doing any covers. I'm traveling.
Okay, you're on the private what?
Yeah, I'm on the private.
Complete gibberish. You're on a public road, therefore you abide by the rules of...
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
How about this? You want coffee in the front?
Whatever you need to do by protocol.
Well, no, we have,
You've been fine. There's no issues. We're not, you know.
yeah.
Let me know if it's too tight, all right?
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
You didn't answer his phone.
Oh, Bobby?
Yeah.
He's got to be home.
I left the message. He didn't answer his phone.
There.
Bronson,
Hot wire
someone had a
ties.
card in their
Yeah.
pocket.
No.
Honey, take a picture of me.
She's gonna hit you, and we're not gonna say anything.
I know that.
All right. You ready?
Guess so.
right.
Yes. I love you. Okay.
He'll see you later.
Don't cry.
Bobby, so you got to go up 27.
I'm gonna
Is that
help.
Bobby? Talk to him before I leave.
Bobby,
You go and start, and I'll work on this. I promise.
Bobby.
Wait, don't trip on your.
They're lucky that I don't call the cops on them every time they yell and scream like animals. Yeah?
North Charleston Police.
Can I help you?
We got a call about yelling and screaming coming from the apartment. Are y'all okay?
Yeah.
You wanna come to the door and talk to us at all?
No, you should really tell my neighbors that they're lucky that I don't call the cops on them every time they yell and scream like animals.
Okay, we're done with this. Shut up and have a good night.
Yeah, you too.
Hey, where's your license plate?
I just got it.
You gotta display it.
I know. I'm just taking it for a test ride. I literally just got it. It's right here.
All right, can I see it real quick?
Yeah.
I just want to see it.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Buy it used?
Yeah. It has like 6,000 miles on it.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
How much you get it for?
Okay. Yeah.
Just put it when you go home.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah. I just gotta get the mount for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Enjoy
man.
it.
An order! I have food in my car! I have food in my car! The cars! The cars! Oh my god! Why are you? Get away from me!
Who's involved in the accident?
From what I gathered is her. She rear-ended him because he was sitting on a light that was green and then and I'm trying to talk to and just calm her down.
Officer, I have to go!
You can't leave yet. Don't leave.
I'm in the middle of an order! I have food in my car! I have food in my car!
You need to calm
I have
down.
food in my car!
Ma'am, you need to
I
calm
have
down.
food in my car!
Stand over here.
Leave me alone. Babe, you need to get here. You need to get here.
You can go.
Thank you. Here now.
So what happened?
The light turned. There was a car in front of me, and all of a sudden I got hit from behind.
Okay.
And then I pulled over here.
All right. What's your information?
The car got in here.
Stop right here. Why are we leaving a baby in the car?
I went to go find his dad.
Why are we leaving an infant in the car?
I went to go find his dad.
This is stuff I put people in prison for. Why are we leaving an infant in the
I was
car?
literally out
I'm not interested. I want to know why you left your child in the
because I had to
car.
go find his dad. My phone was.
So it was okay to leave that baby? No, I didn't say go over there. Stop. Unlock the car.
I'm trying.
We need to make sure this kid is okay. It's okay.
I'm a nurse. Can I explain something to you?
What?
I had him at 25 weeks.
Okay. How long was he left in the car with that? I know the car was running, but how long was he left in the car?
What time is it?
2:56.
Like maybe 20 minutes.
What time did you walk in that casino?
I don't remember. I didn't look. My phone was dead.
So what was the reasoning for going into the casino and leaving him by himself?
One, I had to pee, and two, I was trying to find his dad.
Okay. Why are we trying to find his dad? Have you guys been bringing him inside at all?
Yeah?
He's been here since, he said you got here when you got off work. He's been here since 8 o'clock this morning.